We are going to clean the room because I don't have any other job. It was a neat room, a clean room when I cleaned it. Anyway, so I was studying the last 3 months, that is what I was studying. And that is how this happened. I don't have a memory problem. I lost all my memories. So that is why the notes. First things first. The disturbance is out. My head. Oh, I wasn't watching the camera.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
First things first. I should remove the notes first. I need this for my next attempt. Please.
By the way, sticky notes don't stick.
This part is my brain. It's neat, it's fixed, it's not clumsy, it's good. But it's not enough. I have to fit in all of these in here. I don't know why I have this gap and it's bothering me. I think it's fine now. This is my hobby section and this is my study section. So if someone asks what is my hobby, I'll tell hunting. Arranged everything, closed all the cupboards. Now I'm seeing this another bag full of fruits. I have to put it inside somewhere. This is my garden angel. Just put everything in the bed, but the room already looks neat. I have a hidden talent. I think I should keep it hidden. It's cool now. This is my favorite. This is cute. And there are some unfinished drawings. Couldn't complete it because I forgot I did it. But this one.
I highly recommend everyone to have this 10 minutes time setter in Instagram to remind you of the reality every 10 minutes.
Day 2, day 3.
That day I just put all the clothes to that chair. Didn't get it safe. Anyway, then I just slept for the next 2 days. I mean, the nights.
One of the very simple rule for keeping things organized is 2 things. Having a place for everything and everything should be at that place. Now it is very easy to find the place and keep it there, but for it to stay there, you should look for convenience also. Not just yours, but whoever is living in your home. You see this drawer, I'm not the only one using it. So I have to check for their convenience also. That is why everything here is open, so that they can keep it properly.
Everything is over. We just need to do a little bit of tinkering. I kinda really like this space for studying or working. Of course, I wanted something big, like everyone else, but it's cute. This wall is gone. I don't have budget for painting and work.